My name is Bishop Phillip Powell, and we're here at 16th Street Seventh-day Adventist Church, finishing up our second round of the vaccine. And just want to speak to people who are still on the fence or have reservations. We're here today, my wife and I, we've been very out front about the need for us to come together and do this. We realize that our community has been sent mixed information, and at times we seem like we are not really understanding. But here's the thing. When you talk about the science, and our young people always talk about the science and the data, and when we talk about the data, we look at over 500,000 people have died, lives have been lost, families have been torn apart. Out of the 4 or 5 million people in our country that have received, that have tested positive for the virus, we have 500,000 deaths. Now, if you transpose those numbers over into the vaccine, we have over 40 million people who have been vaccinated already, and yet the numbers of death that we see there are minuscule in terms of the two. And so I ask you to do the science, ladies and gentlemen. Regardless, I know you hear some things on the news here and there, but those numbers nowhere compare to the lives that are being saved. So I am asking you on behalf of all of us, we're asking that we get vaccinated, because it's important that we change the demographic and change the numbers for our people. This is good for us, and we need to recognize the impact that it has. I'm doing it, my wife is doing it, we're asking our children to do it, and they're resistant. They're adults and they are resistant, but we are still fighting through, and we hope to be an example for them so that others can get this vaccination.